Welcome. In this video, we will discuss the text formula. We will use the text formula to extract different components from a date. Now, we will first enter a date. And let's choose a random date. So we will say 3/21/2019. That is our date. Now what we can do, let's first extract the year from the formula. And that is the year 2019. Now if you want a two-digit year, you will just change that to 2Ys, and that is your two-digit year, 2019. Now, if you want to extract the month, and then we can do the short version. That is how you extract the short version of the month from the date, which is March. Now, if you want the full name of the month, you enter 4M's and still make sure the first one is capitalized. And there is your month, March. Now, if you want the date, you will do the same thing, day, the 21st. Now, if you want to know the day of the week from the day, you would actually do 4Ds, which is a Thursday. Now let's see if that is true. Let's do in 2019 in March, the 21st is a Thursday. And there you have it. That is how we use the text formula to extract different components from a date. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.